What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. If you're new here, I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Subscribe if you're here to make some gains. Also, check my Discord and Telegram down below in the description. You can find me there, ask me questions, give me suggestions, and communicate with other people. So let's get started with the video. Now, before I get into the video, I want to show you a project I've covered over a month ago. As you can see, I recorded this video and published it on October 22nd. And at the time of the recording, it was about 1 cent in the project as Coinafish or the CTFT token. And if you take a look at it now, you can see it's over $1.30, which is 100x. And it hit an all-time high right here. If you were to check, it had an all-time high of $2.28, which is more than 150x of your money, almost being 200x of your money. And yeah, that's just to show that I even predicted, as you can see, 10x. It's actually more than 10x, like I said. Don't want to miss any updates here and there. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of these projects. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Polychain monsters, or the Polymon token. As you can see, this is a token that is pretty high in price, and that's mainly because of the total supply. And you can see right there, it says about 9.1 million. And this is a game on Ethereum, Polygon, and Binance Smart Chain, which is really cool that you have the variety of different networks. Then you have their market cap here, saying they have about 42 million on their market cap and $2 million in volume, which is, you know, pretty okay, I guess, in the mid-range, you could say. Here you can see that they came out quite recently, and they came out at a really high price, and they've dipped down, meaning, you know, it's a good time to buy, I'd say. It's been a good time to buy for a while now, as you can see. And they came out way earlier in the year, between quarter one to quarter two, they released. And here you can see that they have 30,000 people on their watch list. And if you check right here on their project info, this is their token distribution, or tokenomics, where 10% goes to advisors, 20% goes to the foundation, private sale takes 37%, public sale takes 3%, and the team takes 10%. And if you scroll down here, you can see that they're on KuCoin already, they're on Uniswap, they're on Gate.io, and they're on PancakeSwap. And those are all there, like Uniswap and PancakeSwap, because like I said, it has different blockchains it's based on, so that's, you know, one good feature about it. If you click right here, you can see this is their Twitter, where you discover, you collect, and play to earn, and you open booster packs, discover ultra rare monsters, and earn weekly rewards by collecting and gaming. This is really similar to Pokemon cards, and not like Pokemon cards NFTs, if you think that's a thing. I'm talking about the real Pokemon cards, but this is in the NFT version, and it's called Polychain monsters. So if you scroll down here, you can see that they post, they're pretty active on Twitter, and they post multiple times a day, and that shows that they're active and they're more engagement with their community than, you know, a Twitter account that barely posts. So here you can see that they have a giveaway up right now, and they do a lot of giveaways, so that's even another good thing about it. Then they have about 110,000 followers, which is really impressive, which is, you know, it is a pretty solid number, and it's followed by, you know, like Binance NFT, which is the Binance NFT marketplace, Launch Zone, and, you know, those show that even they're looking out for a project like this. If you look right here, this is their website, and like they said, collect ultra rare digital monsters and grab Polymon tokens, which are $12-ish per token, and experience the thrill of unveiling ultra rare digital monsters only you can truly own. Then you have their open booster button if you're interested into that. You can supercharge your collection and trade the Polymon tokens. You can see right here, Polychain monsters are beautifully animated digital collectibles with varying scarcities. Each Polychain monster is backed by a truly unique NFT and can be unpacked with Polymon tokens. If you see right here, this is like one of them, and this is supposedly more of the rare ones. And if you scroll right here, you can see the ultra rare NFTs. You have the high liquidity token, which is in development, because, you know, they're trying to get their liquidity to be more higher and more trading and all of that. Like they said, you have the hyper deflationary. Each swap burns Polymon tokens, ensuring a continued increase in scarcity of your NFTs. meaning like higher valued NFTs, and less supply, more demand. You have staking, you have the cross chain, which is in development, but as you can see, they're already cutting to the chase of that cross chain, because they've already established the different networks, and they're now like trying to, I guess, make it cross chain compatible. If you scroll down here, you can see discover the polyverse of Polychain monsters. And if you scroll right here, this is like most NFTs where they have different varieties and aspects, like different colors, different glitter, different horns, and the rarity. So these are like the features of the NFT that you would get, the Polychain monster that you're getting if you were to open some boosters. Then you have the interconnected ecosystem of apps and marketplaces. As digital collectibles, Polychain monsters can be utilized by ever-growing blockchain-based ecosystem. To accelerate this process, Polychain monsters will exist in native mobile apps and widgets. So as you can see here, it shows the collection of the Polychain monsters. Here you can see they're also named like based on the coin that the skin is, or the color or the type is based on, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Monero, and etc. And so you can see you can already download on the App Store and Google Play. You have the mobile widgets and the delightful apps. If you scroll down here, you can see discover endless possibilities for further utilization. So if you scroll down right here, you can see this is where you would find their roadmap on their Medium page. So if you want to learn more about them, you can go on their Medium. Most projects that are on Medium shows what they want to do and where they want to go. Here you can see that this is like some of the things they want to do. Announcement of their plans to go cross-chain and make interacting with Pokemon more affordable and accessible. You have partnerships with Elrond and Polygon, both of which included special edition Pokemons. You have, all these different goals they have. You can see in under 10 days, Pokemon made up the majority of Chainlink requests of all time. In the process, more than 150,000 Polymon tokens were burned. Then you have their actual vision, where this is what they want to do. They want to go on exchange listings. They want to do Polymon staking, NFT staking, special edition Pokemons. Then you have like the statuses, the rarity score, the release of their apps, the showcase collection. Then you have like the Pokemon battle system, which they want to add, very similar to Pokemon, not to confuse it with Pokemon. And then you have like Pokemon backgrounds and music and etc. So that's what they're trying to do. Then you have their About Me, which you can learn more about their team. And they have a docs team, meaning who's behind the team and what they're into, what they've done, and etc. You have their experience written under each team member. And if you scroll down enough here, you can see that they talk about their token. Our vision is best described as 3 layers that are building the blocks for a modern and sustainable collectibles ecosystem. The base is the NFT-based decentralized ownership system supported by an ERC20 token. If you don't know what ERC20 means, it's basically, all you have to know is it's based on Ethereum. And for the ERC token, they want to make a system support for an ERC token that increases liquidity and trade with ease. Built upon that is a layer that enriches the sole NFTs by detail-rich visuals and metadata. Basically, summarizing all of this, like they are trying to build a big and sustainable collectible NFT with a nice ecosystem, great community, and all of that. If you check right here, you can see that this is like their Polychain Islands, collect ultra rare digital monsters and produce resources to participate in the thriving economy for Polychain Islands. And if you scroll down, you have the highlights where play to earn within the Polychain Islands ecosystem. So they're not missing on that play to earn aspect. You have collect and train Polychain monsters, fight battles, and win tournaments. Like they said, plug and play. You get it, you go and play. That's it. Fight battles and win tournaments, win IDO participation tickets, all of that. Construct buildings and start companies. Even crazier goes that. You have the economy, buy land, build production facilities and harvest resources, build factories, set up your marketplace, strengthen your Polymon with items, and then you have their land, how to obtain land, buy plots in the upcoming Polychain Islands land sale. So they're doing a land sale. And here you can see that you can build on the plots. You can use it for farming. As you can see in the screenshot right here, you have like paths, all that. You can do basically everything they're talking about. You can earn by harvesting, or you can even earn by staking these resources, or staking your NFT and their token. Here you can see different items and resources. Use resources to level up your Polymon and gain access to catch new Polymon, construct buildings, and combine them into a brand new asset. If you scroll down, you have their battle mode. So this is basically where you get your Polymon and fight it with other Polymons. As a ticket for the Polymon Park, the place to catch new Polychain monsters, and then to create ultra rare and valuable items and buildings. Then you have their meta backpack, which provides a home for all your Polymons, and you can invite friends to battle with your Polymon on the go. You also do hold your resources that you can trade in there. And they have some big plans, as you can see. They have a lot of plans. This is really similar to Pokemon, and honestly, most of these Pokemon projects I see they actually go pretty successful from what I've seen so far. You have the actual Pokemon project, you have some other projects that are related to Pokemon, and they do pretty well. So this is one that looks and stands out to me too. You can see their design. If you scroll up here, you can see their NFT collection. They have cross-chain compatibility coming out. Many different goals with their platforms. So tell me, what do you think about this project? And if you like it, if you like the NFTs, also just tell me. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Comment what you want for the next video and what you can recommend, and I'll see you guys later.